I know it's been a while since I put a video up, but I'm in school too, at least till the end of the semester when I'll graduate with my math education degree. So, we're talking about order of operations again. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction. And I'll put a link in the description to my original PEMDAS video, but quick review if you haven't seen it. This tells us how to do a problem when there's multiple different types of operations like in this one. Parentheses first, then exponents, then your multiplication, division, then your addition and subtraction. So this problem came off Facebook, and going to do it with grouping symbols. You can put it in PEMDAS order, but because of what you come out with your addition and subtraction, it gets a little confusing, and I will make a separate video about that just in case anybody wants to see it. But this is really the simplest way to do it. Grouping symbols almost always best. So the first thing we do is we look for parentheses. No parentheses. Exponents, there are no exponents in this problem. Multiplication and division. So we see here we got division. So going to do that, and the reason we know we can group these together is this division operational symbol. Now, operational symbol is just like this. Certain times tells us to do something to the numbers. Binds these two numbers together, and it'll go out till it hits another operational symbol or parentheses or something else that will separate out. So when it hits these pluses, that breaks it. So we also have some multiplication right here. Again, same deal. Binds it together till it hits another operational symbol, or if the author of the problem puts parentheses in, it can encompass a little bit more. But again, breaks right here because it's the subtraction, this plus. So then we're just down to addition and subtraction. Now we can go through going left to right, but the thing we have to remember is this and this must be done first. You can't say 7 plus 7 then divide that by 7, because that would be doing your addition before your division. Since multiplication and division here are on the same level of PEMDAS, we can just do those left to right. So let's rewrite the problem with our first operations done. I'm going to go ahead and insert all the stuff that's not having anything done to it. Okay, so 7 divided by 7 is 1. So we put 1 in for this because the two are equal. 7 times 7 is 49. So we put 49 in there. So now we performed this level of our operations. Now we can move to this level of our operations where we add and subtract. So if you look, this problem, whoever made it, they did something nice and convenient for you. They put you a positive 7 and a negative 7. So those two just cancel out. So you're left with 49 plus 1, which when you add it together, you get 50. Now, like I said, I had one person come up with 0, one person come up with 14. I'm going to have to ask them how they got that answer. A lot of people come up with 65, and the way they do that is they make a mistake of, like we were talking about before, going 7 plus 7, then divided by 7, and you can't do that because you're doing your addition before your division and multiplication, and then your steps are out of order. Again, I'll put a link to my original PEMDAS video and a link to the way of doing it the other way. But like I said, the purpose of PEMDAS is when we have multiple operations like this, and you don't, the author doesn't give you any clue how to do it. There's been the established order in how to do it. Any questions, you can put them in the comments.